Hello, Sian again. Welcome to Sensory Atelier, and we're still doing a little bit of exploring colour. We've got one more activity to show you. Today's activity is colour changing milk. And you will need washing up liquid or a liquid soap, milk, food colouring, a dish or a dinner plate, and some little cotton buds. Well, now we're going to be doing the colour changing milk. We're going to show you all the different ingredients that you need to have. So I've got a little tray. You can use a plate or a little dish as well. Got some milk, which I'm going to pour in, trying not to spill. There we go. Ooh, there we are, filling it. Not too deep, just so it covers the base. We've got food colouring. And again, quite lucky because I've got loads of different colours. But don't worry, doesn't matter if you only have 2 or 3 colours. It'll still look really, really beautiful. Really good. So let's put some of those colours out. Then we have got some washing up liquid. And what I've done is I've just got like a little tub. I've just poured, lovely, a little bit of washing up liquid just in the base there. We've also got cotton buds. These are going to be our tools for today. A bit like paintbrushes, really. We're going to do a little bit of dipping. The first thing we need to do is get our cotton bud and dip it into, I'm going to drop that into the milk once, twice, there we go, get a little bit more, there we are, and it soaks in and it drops to the bottom. You can just see a little bit of where it is. Perfect. And then you're going to get some colours, and near the centre, you're going to drop colours in a little bit. Yellow. What else have we got? Trusty blue. This lovely bit of green. Let's get some really good. There we go. A little bit of a closer look. The next thing we're going to do, we'll move this here. Is going to go and get the cotton bud. We're going to drop a little bit more of the washing up liquid in. Just going to touch it. Slowly, all the colours start to discover and swirls, and bubble to the top. And as we slowly press it in, all of the colours will appear. Start swirling. Oh look, some greens, some reds, and little bits of smoke. They'll become delicate. And because you can't see where the colours are because they're hidden under the milk, they kind of dance around milk. Oh, I love that blue. You're kind of disturbing them a little bit. So if I'd put some more, oh, let's try a purpley colour down here. Come. I'll let that float to the bottom. And we get some more lovely liquid. colours. Swirl. It reminds me of when you used to do, or if you've ever done marble painting. Really, really pretty. Ooh, look at that swirling colour. There, colour changing milk. There you go, really, really sweet little colours dancing around in your milk. So, with experimenting and exploring colour, you've got to remember that there's always some wonderful materials that you can use hidden around in your house. And sometimes just opening up a cupboard door, you can find milk, washing up liquid, food colouring, and you can create art. And it's always brilliant to experiment.